my name is Skyrim Plays. We're playing some Omeji. Yeah. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to use that ghost. Is it a ghost? Yes, it's a ghost bird thing. I'll show you. I'm gonna teach you guys how to use. Hurry up. Use this thing. So, first off, you always should have a bunny thing and a mana girl. And maybe if you're like low level like me, level 23, use the nice girl. So, let me show you guys. If I go to fight, let's say this, the dragon, I'll fight level this one. This what? Yeah. So once you're low level as me, you always want to have teams just like this: healer, ice girl, mana girl, bird thing, and frog. Frog, bunny, whatever. So you always want to use this skill first, and then bring in the mana, and then let the ice girl take a shot, and then here comes in your bird. Boom. Same thing again, but this time, don't think I'm gonna have enough mana. Okay, but doesn't matter. Oh no, enough mana. Take a shot, and kapow, boosh. And I'll show you the runes you need later. And kaboom. And then if you use that, give it to the bird, and kaboom. Dead. Oh, my bird's level 35. Oh, that's horrible ruins. So let me show you the ruins. So these are the ruins I have mainly. What? Oh. Okay, these are the ruins I mainly have. You always want to have this, either 6-star, 5-star, whatever. Yeah. Okay. Now I can show you if I face these people, this thing. I'll fight this one. Wait, which one? Actually, I'll face this one. Okay, let's go. This is my actually, I'm gonna keep that guy over here. Yeah, let's just keep him. This is my team I use on here. I don't use my healer because I don't want to. It's sort of like too easy for me, but I feel like my bird just kills everyone. Oh, that has like no health. So yeah, you should always have bunny and mana girl. That's the main stuff. Or else like your bird does nothing. Because the bunny increases the damage by 2. Something, yeah. And then does more damage. And then mana girl gives you the mana to do it. Yeah, why is it lagging? Oh, there's not 5 yet. And cool. Hope you guys enjoyed, and maybe this will be continued. I hope you like and subscribe if you haven't. Peace.